This is the scary ghost. It comes out of my water heater. This is the water softener. This is the furnace. This is the water heater, and this is the air ducts. I'm gonna add. I'm gonna put
Is there a thermostat in there?
No. I'm gonna put
What about a septic tank?
swamp cooler.
A swamp cooler? Oh, good. What about a septic tank?
No septic tank.
Really? So what are all those?
Just in the attic, there's a septic tank.
Okay, so oh, a septic tank in the attic. Okay, so what are all these pipes?
Those pipes are the water heater pipes.
Okay.
And those are the refill pipes for the air ducts.
Really? Cool.
And they go into the
What about your furnace room?
Do you know what kind of scary looking
What?
color ghost is?
What kind of ghosts are in the furnace room?
In my furnace room?
What?
Green and white
Okay.
and red.
Green and white and red ghosts. Okay. Seamus, so what are you going to add next? You said a swamp cooler. What else?
And orange and really scary. Another furnace.
And another furnace. Wow, it must be a big house.
That is just my furnace room.
Okay, that's just your furnace room. All right.
And a white ghost. And a black ghost. That's what kind of ghost. That's what my ghost was.
That's what your ghost looks like, huh?
And now,
That's scary. So are you afraid to go in the furnace room?
yeah.
Yeah? Well, you guys are never afraid to go in Daddy's furnace rooms.
Because they don't have ghosts.
Yeah, you don't think at the Fox Den there's a ghost in that one under the kitchen? You guys always want to go in there and look around, check it out. There's no ghosts there, huh?
But there might be scary ghosts in my furnace.
No, in yours, okay.
And the swamp cooler.
Okay.
It's gonna be okay if you open it.
Okay.
But there's gonna be a furnace up in the sky next to in between the ghost and the air ducts.
Okay. All right, you guys.